would like to introduce the proud mother of the graduate. Please give a big round of applause to Sophia. Sophia, come on up. Proud mother of the graduate. Right. And I also like to invite the grandma and grandpa of the graduate. I'd like, please give them a big round of applause. Before we invite the graduate over, we'd like to have mom say a few words, grandma, grandpa say a few words.
Often Town came here to my son's graduation party, Romeo. I'm so thankful for our
I cannot hear you.
family, for supporting my boys for all these years. It's always been part of the community. And I really appreciate all your support. And it's so nice that you guys came out here to support me, my son, my parents on this very special occasion. Thank you so much. Trong dịp xưa, ông học kia, con mình không có, này chơi một hai, dân tư cái tư dân cái mình mau cho mình dân tư cái này mình khai đi được biết phê đây đúng không học quân
miền Trung có tôi ngày tây như cần hơn mà tôi muốn nhân quân cái châu miền Tây ngày đi ngày châu có quân trái miền Tây Bắc mà chưa bị sao không bao giờ hay chưa bị xét sông đầu tiên có quân đầu tiên hay có cái chiến tiền buông lên từ đó con ôn đó mau có lạc ai đó có phải như lưng tình cuối ta
Tình tua chứ.
Alright, before we bring the graduate up, we would like to bring the brother up, Xavier. Come on up and say a few words to your brother.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you all coming to my brother.
Yeah, I know, I didn't see it.
He's a very hardworking guy. He does a lot for me, and thank you all and all family for helping him raise him to be such a good man to me and all of our family and friends. Thank you.
That was a great speech. All right, now it's the time that you've been waiting for, that you guys are here for this young man, okay? So, Romeo, he already has a Juliet, so I just want to let you know. If you're single, no, he's already got a Juliet. So, he's graduating from Warren High School. He's going to be attending college at DePaul University, majoring in business and finance. So he's going to be making a lot of money. All right, so please give it up to Romeo.
Hello everyone, I want to thank everyone for coming, especially like my uncles and my aunts from out of state. I really appreciate it. for you guys to come here. I want to thank my grandparents, my uncles, my aunts, my mom, my dad. I don't know if my dad is here, but I want to thank everyone here. Thank you for our grandparents for setting up the party. I want to also thank you guys for all coming here. I'm having a good time, supporting me in my future, my college, and yeah, I want to thank everyone here. I love you guys so much. I love my parents and my family. So I say thank you.
Good job.
So thank you everyone. I want to thank everyone on my dad's side, my mom's side, and everyone. Thank you.
មានម៉ាំសាយដែរសាយទៀត
Yeah, and I'm gonna go to school with DePaul, like you said. Thank you for all the donations, for supporting my future, and yeah, and my gifts. Thank you so much.
Alright, great speech. Any last word? Good. Oh, your other grandparents.
All right, Grandma Utz and Grandpa Ding, come over here.
Cái cầu gì màu không? Nâng này.
ជាបឋមជាបាទសូមព្រេងមកអរគុណចំពោះញាតិមិត្តទាំងអស់លោកយាយលោកតាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់ដែលបានមក support ចៅខ្ញុំ graduation បាទ high school នេះជាពិសេសខ្ញុំព្រេងមកអរគុណដែលបងប្អូនចំណាយនៅពេលវេលាដល់ទុនធានដែលខំមក support ចៅខ្ញុំខ្ញុំក៏មានអ្វីលើកពីនោះទៀតទេមានតែពិតប្រពោតាម5ប្រការគឺអាយុវណ្ណៈសុខៈពលៈប្រតិទិនណាចែកជូនដល់លោកយាយលោកតាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខភាពល្អរកស៊ីកើតមានបានរហូតតទៅកុំអោយមានជំងឺជឿតកាអីទាំងអស់សូមប្រកបការងារដោយសេចក្តីបំណងដោយបងមួយនោះក៏ធ្វើបានលុយច្រើនសូមបងប្អូនធ្វើបានលុយច្រើនអរគុណ
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, everybody. I think we're gonna start dancing, right?
Yeah. Cuộc trái này, cuộc trái nó chung này.